Hi there, students. To upend. One word, to upend. Okay, this is to turn something on its end or upside down. So, for example, you see this piece of wood. Well, I could upend it. Yeah? To upend it. It's to turn on its side, but also to turn over completely. So we were trying to get the sofa through the door, but it was quite difficult. However, we upended the sofa. We put it vertically, and like that, we got it through the door. He upended a can of baked beans on top of the spaghetti, just turned upside down. Okay, and this is the idea of to upend. Yeah, to set something on its end or to turn over completely. Very often we use to upend meaning to knock over. I banged into the table and upended a lamp that was standing there. Yeah, he upended the box and poured everything onto the floor. Okay, so to upend, to turn over, to empty out, so that, or to just change the angle of something, to upend something. Yeah, he upended the oblong box. He put it on its side, or he upended it completely so everything fell out. Now, we can use upend metaphorically as well, which makes it much more useful, meaning to destroy, to change completely, to overthrow. So, I don't know, COVID has upended our normal daily routines. Yeah, lockdown upended many people's way of life. So the legend was upended when the team finally lost. Notice as well, very often to upend, to win against, to defeat. So the small team upended the champions. They actually beat them. Okay, so you can use upend meaning to upset dramatically, or to affect dramatically, or to beat. So my world was upended when I won the lottery. Everything was changed over. It was tipped over. It was like it was turned 90 degrees. It's like the idea of upending a box or something like that. The drinking water for the animals was very dirty, so I upended the container and then filled it again. Okay, maybe the introduction of internet and smartphones has upended many of the things that we do. Maybe some old-fashioned businesses have been upended by sales in internet, for example. Okay, so to upend, a regular verb. He upended the glass. I have upended the sofa to get it through the door. But very often as well, to upend, to knock something over. There was a vase in the corner, and I tripped over and upended this vase. I knocked it over and then it shattered. Yeah, it was on a table and I upended the table. I knocked over the table, but also metaphorically as well. Okay, so your next question: how formal is this verb to upend? I think I would give it a 5 in formality. I think you could use it absolutely anywhere. Okay, so to upend, to knock over, or to change completely the nature of something. So yeah, I think Skype and other things like that have upended the traditional methods of teaching. Okay, and then as to the origin, well, the end, I suppose the bottom, goes up, and that's the idea. You're turning it round. Okay, so to upend, a good verb to use. If you enjoyed the video, give it a rating, subscribe to my channel, and I'll see you soon. Bye for now. Upend.